We have a wonderful maple tree, which turns all golden and red in the fall. I love to meet the sun rising in the morning, shining through magnificent and colorful leaves. There is a lot of grace in autumn days. Carpet of crunchy leaves, warmth is welcomed again. This year, October days are hesitant to leave, giving me plenty of opportunities to collect and organize fresh, humble flowers from the garden and bring them inside. For today, I will take floss flower, as you can see, there's plenty of floss flower in the garden this season. I will combine it together with silvery foliage of butterfly bush, all the branches of a butterfly bush will be taken down during the middle of the winter, so I can collect safely all the foliage and use it inside for flower arrangements. I also will use some lemon balm. It has a wonderful light green foliage. And some dead nettle, which is spilling over and needs to be controlled and to keep it inside the flower bed. I don't know about you, but for my family, autumn is all about coming back to the coziness of the home. Good, hearty meals. We are a big soup family. Times shared together. By this time, school activities are slowing down, and we have a cozy feeling of settling down for winter. The grace of harvest, our tomatoes will get a chance to ripen inside on the windowsill. I leave them on the stems and check back in several days. I'm starting to take some pots with tender perennials inside. This playful pot with rosemary is growing in my garden for 4 years already, successfully overwintering inside. I will make sure that no leaves stay behind. We'll do a nice trim of the grass inside. The grass goes dormant and turns into a beautiful straw color. All the good days of carving pumpkins, walks under the colorful canopy of trees, warm sun, good times of autumn.